We are with our third part. Okay, so let us see the third part. 4 upon x plus 3 upon y equals to 14 and 3 upon x minus 4y equals to 23. ये आपको सम दिया हुआ है. So let us solve this. Okay. Now here you can see that आप लोग को यहाँ पे y जो है वो एज इट इज़ दिया है. सो देयर इज़ नो नीड टू चेंज y. ओके, जैसे हमको सब्सटीट्यूट हमने किया था पिछले सम्स में. सो क्योंकि y हमारा नॉर्मल फॉर्म में है, सो वी डोंट हैव टू सब्सटीट्यूट y विथ अनदर वेरिएबल, बट x को हमको लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट हेयर, above equations can be written as what? 4 upon x को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? We can write it as what? 4 into 1 upon x plus 3y equals to 14. In the same way 3 upon x can be written as 3 into 1 upon x minus 4y equal to 23. Is that clear? So let 1 upon x equal to u. Let us take 1 upon x equal to u. But y को हम नहीं कुछ ले रहे हैं. Okay? So therefore what we will get? 4 into 1 upon x will be equal to what? 4u plus 3y equal to 14. So this is our first equation. Similarly second equation हमारी क्या होगी? 3u minus 4y equals to 23, and this is our second equation. Clear? So let us solve these two equations by elimination method. हम इसको elimination method से करके देखते हैं. So multiplying, what we will do in order to calculate or eliminate, in order to eliminate u, हमको eliminate अगर u को करना है, so we will multiply equation 1 by 3 and we will multiply equation 2 by 4. okay, because यहाँ पे equation 2 में the coefficient of u is 3, hence we will multiply the whole equation by 3. okay, equation 1 by 3, and since the coefficient of u in equation 1 is 4, therefore we will multiply equation 2, whole equation 2 by 4 in order to eliminate u. u को eliminate करने के लिए हम ऐसा करेंगे. So let us do it. Multiply equation 1 by 3 and 2 by 4. What we will get? Now see, I am multiplying 4u plus 3y equals to 14 with what? किससे multiply कर रहे हैं? 3 से. Okay, so 3 4s are what? 12. So this will be 12u plus 3 3s are 9. So 9y equals to 3 into 14 will be 3 4s are 12 and this will be 4. This will be what? 42. Is that clear? So this is our third equation. Let us consider this as third equation. Similarly, what we will do? We will multiply equation 2 by 4. So let us multiply the equation 3u minus 4y equals to 23 with 4. So what will we get? 4 into 3 will be what? 12u minus 4 4s are 16y equals to 4 into 23. So 4 3s are 12. okay, 4 2s are 8 9. So this will be what? 92. So this is your fourth equation. I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. okay, now we will solve equation 2 and 4 by elimination method. हम इसको किससे solve करेंगे? by using elimination method. So solving equation 3 and 4 by elimination method. Solving equation 3 and 4 by elimination method, what we will get? Now 12u plus 9y equals to 42 and 12u minus 16y equal to 92. Clear students? So here you can see that the coefficient of u are having same sign, इसलिए हम sign change कर देंगे. So plus 12 will become minus 12u, minus 16y will become plus 16y and plus 92 will become minus 92. So here 12u and 12u gets cancelled, ये cancel हो जाएगा. okay, so 9 plus 16 will be what? 25. So this will be 25y equals to 42 minus 92. So this will be what? Minus 50. So you will get what? Minus 50. Therefore y equals to minus 50 upon 25 or y equals to minus 2. So you are getting y is minus 2. Now we will put the value of y equals to 2, okay, in any one of the equation to get the value of x. So let us put in equation 1. So putting y equal to minus 2 in equation 1, what we will get? Our first equation is what? 4u plus 3y equals to 14. So this will be 4u plus 3 into y. So in place of y we will put minus 2 equals to 14. So this implies 4u minus 6 equal to 14, or 4u equals to 14 plus 6. This means 4u equals to 20, or u equals to 20 upon 4. So this means you will get u equals to what? 5. 4 5s are 20. Therefore, now see, हमारा u कितना आ रहा है? You can see here that our u is coming what? 5. So this means what? But our u is what? हमारे u कितना था? हमने क्या लिया था u को? 1 by x we have considered. Okay. Therefore 1 by x equals to 5. Reason is what? Since u is equals to 1 upon x था. Therefore taking reciprocal we get x equals to 1 upon 5. So we will get x equals to what? 1 upon 5. So therefore your final answer is what? Therefore your final answer is what? Y equal to minus 2 and x equal to 1 upon 5 is your final answer. Is that clear, students? So in this video we have completed our third part. Next video we will move on to our next part. Thank you.